channel is gonna grow and grow. So yeah, just stick to it and yeah, like the video. And authenticated right there. eBay authenticated. Yeah, these are the phone runners. YouTube, tropical visuals here, man, with another banger video, man, for y'all boys, man. So look, man, I got this package. I did got a what's in the box video, or you know, it's basically you see the title of the video. I'm not gonna say too much. I got a special Indeed box in here. I'm gonna do a basic review, quick review. I just got to work. You feel me? I just got to work, and you feel me? I got this box and it came in. I wanted to do this review. I just got the shower. I washed my hair. So my hair is getting real long. I don't know if you're tuned into my old videos, but if you watch my hair been getting short, I want to do like some hair tutorials and some other stuff like that. You feel me? I'm gonna dye my hair. I dyed my hair, but it didn't turn out well. But I'm gonna dye it next week. But I'm gonna stick to it now. I'm gonna vlog it. I'm gonna have all the content, everything for you guys on this channel. But just stick tuned. You feel me, bro? Other than that, bro, I'm gonna dive in. I'm gonna jump into this box. I've been waiting for this almost for like past almost 2 weeks now. Have to be almost 2 weeks. And not before I open this box, give it 10 likes. And I'm not too much. That is what motivates me to continue posting these videos and keep on going more and on and on. I'm gonna do a shoe collection, more of them, more other videos. I just need to run up more ideas. But yeah, this channel is gonna grow and grow. So yeah, just stick to it and yeah, like the video. Yeah, I got a pen and I got it from eBay and it been authentic and verified. This is the box come with. I'm not sure if it's the original box, but these are some. I did indeed cop some Yeezy foam runners. Oh, it just came like this in the box. Cop some Yeezy foam runners. I think this is the brown colorway and it's been authenticated. I got the first. I got one of the wraps right here. You can tell it's been authenticated from eBay. And gave me the card also too. Just the eBay card. I also do indeed got one more from the Balenciaga video. So you can tell when these been authenticated. They'll give you a card and they'll give you one of these green hats. And I do indeed got the same thing. Another one. So yeah, this is just like a card for on eBay, and I don't really shop on eBay like that, but I'm not gonna lie, I do shop on eBay. Shout out to eBay. They got some good fire drip, and you can tell they're authenticated right there. eBay authenticated, guaranteed. But yeah, I'm hoping film this video because my camera look like it's about to die and stuff. It's blinking, but yeah, I'm not gonna show too much. It shows this, what you get in the video, what you get on a card, authenticated without a doubt. You get the little tag. You can scan it and all, but yeah, this is it. Got the tag at the bottom of the Yeezy logo. Feel me? This the real one. I got it in a size 9. It looks small, and these are fire. Feel me? I indeed like this one. It's the exact colorway I wanted. It'll go with anything in my pants. You know, long Adidas pants, sweatpants. You know, just stuff to wear on a chill day. I'm actually gonna wear this. But now these are it. I believe it's called the Yeezy Bone, or I believe it was called the Yeezy Orc or Orky, something like that. I bought it for 160, the price for 160, and it really wasn't bad. I got it for a good steal. Oh, there it goes. Good lighting. It's like a dark, like a mid chocolate brown colorway. Not too much brown, but looks fire. It actually the same colorway as this lotion bottle. I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, it's like a brown colorway. And yeah, it's really fire. I'm gonna indeed take this thing off, but this is shows this can tell and shows you that it's real and stuff. Just scan it and all. I'm not sure how it works, but yeah, you gotta scan it or do something with it, tap it. I'm not sure. Yeah, these are the foam runners. I'm gonna put these on feet real quick. I'm gonna show y'all. Fix this camera. we got the Yeezy Orky, and I got them in the brown colorway. It looks real nice in the brownish colorway. And one thing I can say about these shoes, they're mad comfortable and they're true to its size. So heads up, just order a size up ahead. I got them in a good size 9, and they kind of feel like tight around a little on the shoe, but when I wear them for good long enough, it don't feel like I'm wearing nothing on my feet no more. It just feels like, you know, because the memory foam on it feels good. And yeah, man, it feels comfortable on feet when walking around too. And I would say if you order them, just get a size up, because you don't want to be walking around with a tight feet. And yeah, man, they just look nice. YouTube, so look, I'm back with y'all. I'm back currently in the lab. I had to do an update with y'all. I still got the sneakers on the feet, well, the slides or the Yeezy foam runners, and I've had them on for currently almost like a good hour, 2 hours or so. I had this hoodie on the fit, and it actually looked nice to fit. It looked like it got a fit with it on, but nah, I think I like this the shoes. I think I like the shoes. Hold on, let me fix it back. But yeah, I think I like the shoes only because like, it fits comfortable. This is size 9, and it was really tight when I got them, and I still got the eBay tag. I gotta rip them off, but yeah, that's how comfortable it is. I didn't even notice it was on there still. What I'm going to end up doing, I'm going to kind of really order another pair, probably of Yeezy slides or foam runners eventually, but I'm gonna order some size 10, and these look really small. I don't know if you can see. It looks small with me holding it, but yeah. But yeah, I didn't get my thumbnail, but nah, these are the Yeezy foam runners. Now I took them off, and my feet, they kind of feel breathable now too. I like these shoes. I really like them. But yeah, I just really had to do a review with y'all to tap y'all in, tell y'all beforehand, so when y'all buy them, order them a size up, because they're really tight. And I really didn't notice them when they were tight as I had them on. I don't know if it's the memory foam, but that memory foam is really good on the shoe. But yeah, order them a size up. It shows the sizing also on the side of the shoes. Like you can see, I don't know if you can see it, so it's size 9 foam runner. But yeah, these are the Yeezy Ork. Or I don't know how to pronounce it, Orch brown colorway. But yeah, like I can wear them with some other fits. Stick tuned in my couple videos. Next videos, I got some dropping some fit videos. You know, summer collection of fits that's coming. Shoe collection videos. So stick tuned to that. I had to make a video for y'all, and I had to, you know, it's been a couple days since I haven't posted, and you know, now I got some video. I'm gonna post some videos on this channel. I got 2 videos I'm posting, so it's probably gonna be up on already. But yeah, if you're new, like the video, subscribe, and press that bell. It's your boy Tropical Visuals here, man, and I'ma catch y'all in next video, man. Hey, we out, gang.
Bye, have a great time.